These two websites will pay you every day to do simple tasks for them. Now, this video is not a clickbait or claims. Now, these are some of my earnings and withdrawals I have made from this very platform, and they were paid into my bank account. And in this video right here, I'm going to be sharing every single thing with you and how you can make money with these two websites, doing simple tasks, and how you can add this to your earning portfolio. Now, this is basically one of the easiest way you can make money right now on the internet, no doubt. So I'll be taking you through everything step by step and showing you how you can basically make money from these two websites right now after watching this video. Right here, these are the top 10 workers on this very platform. As you can see, this very person right here has earned and has done over 13,000 jobs, right? And this one right here has done over 11,000 jobs, as well as this one 10,000, 9,331, and these are the top 10 micro job posters on this platform. This first person right here has posted almost about 319,000 jobs, followed by this one 139,000 jobs, and so on and so forth right now. And these are people who are making money. These are job posters and these are job earners on this very platform, right? If you see right here, my current balance is over 2,561 Naira, right? And these are the major ways you can make money from this platform. Now, there are different ways, but these are the major ways. Now, you can earn money, number one, by doing micro jobs, as you can see right now, micro jobs, right? And by completing any of the micro jobs currently available. And you can also have cashback days. These are some of the features of this very platform right here. And this platform will pay you to do simple tasks and simple surveys. As you can see, micro jobs, cashback, and rewards for members. Get paid for what you already do online, right? These are some of the things you already do online, right? Now, how does it work? We assist SMEs and ad agencies in succeeding while enabling our members to save and earn money by completing micro jobs, shopping from features brands, and participate in reward offers, right? Rewarding members is 2020, right? They have over 3,000 members, influencers, affiliates, and they have over 3 million micro jobs completed. This is amazing, guys. And the first thing you need is to register an account, which will not take you 1 minute to do. If you click on the first link in the description, it will take you to a registration page where you're going to input your details and just get your account registered. So once you get your account registered and you activate your account with a sign-up fee, you are going to be landing right here in this dashboard. So once you are here, you can easily have access to your interface and you can have access to your jobs. As you can see right now, these are the available jobs right on this platform. These are available jobs. These are my finished jobs, my posted jobs, my hire micro workers, and job requested and submitted pending, right? And these are my cashback on this very platform, as you can see. And these are also my reward. These ones are my credit, my payout from this platform. And this is my profile, right? As you can see, I can even have access to copy my URL link, the top members academic, we have access to teaching intensive, my profile, then my balance right here. One of the major ways to make money from this platform is by performing simple tasks, of which we are going to go to available jobs right now. Let's see the available jobs on this very platform. So as you can see right now, these are the available jobs on this very platform right now. And according to statistics, this platform has done over 3 million jobs right here on this very platform. These are simple jobs you can do. As you can see, these are just to visit the website and enter the draw and you earn 15 Naira, right? They have over 1,500 people to finish these jobs. And right now, as you can see, these are other jobs again. Instagram follow 15 Naira, TikTok job follow 15 Naira, video like video and subscribe 15 Naira, and this YouTube job right here 15 Naira, and so on and so forth, right? If you scroll down, you can be having access to more and more jobs on this very platform. These are more jobs on this very platform, right? And this is my profile, and these are my statistics, all right? My invite, my job posted, and my job done, as you can see right now. So guys, this is just simple as ABC. To make money from this platform is just simple. Click apply right here. Once you click apply right here, it's going to take you to an interface where you're going to start doing the jobs. So once you are done doing the jobs, you will be credited your money once the job is approved in the next few minutes. As you can see, read the job description carefully, right? And this is just what you have to do, right? These workers needed, the workers applied, and job instruction. Click on the link provided, follow the Boomplay account, and approve required by job posted. Submit a screenshot. Just click on start jobs right now. It will take you to a Boomplay account where you're going to follow the user and screenshot it and just send it to the person. That's very simple. It won't take you more than 30 seconds to finish, and you get paid your money, as you can see right now. I'm just going to just do that for you right now. Just follow this very person right here. Follow, as you can see, and I'm going to just screenshot it. Then I'll just come back to my job right here. Then I'm going to just send my screenshot right here. Right, this is the screenshot. I'm just going to use okay. Let me submit it right here also. Right here, right. Then just click on this one right here. So once you click on submit proof, it's going to load up. So as you can see right now, you can see down here, job submitted successfully. And if I come to my job tab right here, let me just come to my job tab, my finished job. You can see that the job is pending. In the next few minutes, the job will be approved and my balance will increase, right? My balance will increase. It's just very simple. Now, this job doesn't take me more than 30 seconds to finish, right? This job didn't take me more than 30 seconds to complete. And in a few minutes, I'll be paid. As you can see right now, the job is pending right here and 15 naira. These are my other jobs I've done and I've been paid on this very platform. So let me tell you the 3 ways you can make money from this very platform. And the first way is by doing micro jobs, right, which is the one I just done right now. The second one is by posting jobs on this platform. Now you can post jobs on this platform and you can also make money from this very platform. Now people are making money from this platform by just posting jobs, right? And the third way to make money from this platform is by partnering with them as an affiliate, right? You can just copy your invite link. As you can see, your invite link is already copied. You can use this to invite your friends to join this platform. And once anybody joins through your invite link, you are going to earn over 2,500 naira per person, right? Now just imagine inviting 10 persons, that's over 25,000 naira. So these are the major 3 ways to make money from this very platform. So guys, I'll be taking you down to the next platform right away. But before I take you down to the next platform, if you are finding value in this video, I would just advise you right now to just smash that like button. Thank you very much for doing that. And if you have not joined this family, subscribe to this very family to join our amazing tribe of subscribers. You'll be glad to do so. So without saying, let's jump right into the next platform. Guys, this is the next platform right here, and these are the top earners from this very platform based on total withdrawal. This very person right here has earned over 238,475 naira, and his current balance is 952 naira, and his account is activated. And this second person right here has earned over 105,000 naira, and his current balance is 1,574 naira. And this third person right here has earned over 76,000 naira. The next person 71, and so forth. And these are top earners based on current balance. Now this very person right here, John Wett, has a balance of 48,000 naira, and his total withdrawal is 52,000 naira. This one has a balance of 13,000, and his total withdrawal is 10,000 naira. And these are the top earners on this platform. Now the 2 platforms I'm sharing with you right now, these are platforms that are making me money currently, and they can make you a lot of money by just doing simple tasks, right? So let me take you to my dashboard right now, showing you how you can make this happen. Now this is my dashboard right now. This is my current balance, which is 1,000 naira, and this is my last withdrawal, which is 1,342 naira, telling you that I'm not just teaching you this, I'm doing this, right? And it's working for me, right? As you can see, this is just the interface of this very platform, and these are the total jobs available. If you scroll down, you can see the top jobs right here. These are jobs I can just start doing right now in the next 30 seconds, and I'll be getting paid. As you can see, this is another job again, Facebook follow, right? And this is another job again, Twitter page follow, Twitter page repost. Click on view all. You're going to be having access to hundreds of tasks right now waiting for you. It's not left for you to start doing these tasks and start making money right now. There's no time to waste. So guys, now this is just the interface of the dashboard, and the first thing you have to do before you can start making money is to create an account with them. If you click on the second link in the description of this video, you'll be creating an account with them, and you have to activate your account with just 1,000 naira. This is just a one-time payment that will give you access to a lifetime any opportunity on this very platform. So once you activate your account, the next thing you have to do is to come to social media right here, so that you can add your social media links on this very platform. As you can see, these are my social media links, and the status are approved, right? This is my TikTok is approved, Twitter is approved, Instagram is approved, Telegram is approved, right? My Facebook is not approved because I didn't follow their simple instructions by putting in my username on my bio, right? I'm going to do that very soon. The reason you are putting this social media account is that so that they can easily verify your tasks through your social media account, because that's the medium you are using to make money on this very platform. Now to add a social media account, just click on add social media. Then you can also click on the social media you want to add. If it's App Store, Apple Music, Boomplay, then you just click here. Then you are going to impute the link to the social media right down in this place right now. So once it's approved, you can start making money right in this very platform. So if you come to the task section right now, you have access to all the tasks on this very platform. So you can even select the type of task you need. All right, if it's Boomplay, App Store, Spotify, Telegram, select it, and you're going to have access to all the tasks. These are the pages. Available tasks right now is over 100 There's over 150 tasks available right now, and if you refresh this place right now, more tasks has been added. So guys, this is just the way it is. And if you come to this price list right now, you can easily have access to all the price list of each task. As you can see, these are social media any list, which is price per service. Now Apple Streams is 15 naira, right? Apple Store app download is 14 naira. Apple Store app review is 20 naira. If you scroll down, you can have access to all the price lists. That's the way you can have access to all the lists, like you knowing what you are going for, right? So that you can know which of the tasks will earn you more money, right? As you can see, Spotify stream music is 15 naira, and so on and so forth. This one is Twitter repost a tweet is 30 naira, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is just the walkthrough of this very platform. This is how you can make money on this very platform, and this two platform will make you a lot of money if you can just start right now. So you click on the link in the description. The first link will take you to the first platform, which you have to activate your account with just 5,000 naira. Then the second link will take you to the next platform, which is this platform right now, which you have to activate your account with just 1,000 naira, which is a one-time payment, and you can start making money and cashing out on this very platform. Guys, I believe you find value from this video. If you do, please just do me a favor by liking this video. It will help me a lot, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this, and I will see you around in the next one. Bye for now. Now, you can make money from this website if you spend more time. That's the more time you spend on the website, the more money you make, right? Because there are a lot of tasks you can do on this website and you can make money from, right? It's just left for you to have the time you can spend. So guys, I believe you find this content valuable. If you have any questions towards it, or you want me to create more videos on this very method on how to make money online, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do justice to that, right? The link to register on this platform will be linked down in the description of this video. Do where to click there to go and register on this very platform. And if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, you want to click this video right here, showing right here, to access more ways on how you can increase your income in the internet. So guys, bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video right here. Cheers.